You're watching News X and I'm Kriti Mehta. We start this Tuesday morning with news coming in from Pune after heavy rain and widespread waterlogging. In Pune, Devendra Fadnavis has now announced that vehicular movement on the connecting link has now been restored. In a social media post, the Chief Minister said traffic has resumed on the stretch and assured people that the government is making every possible effort to normalize the situation. Shweta Verma is joining us on this. Shweta, thank you very much for joining us. Now, of course, this situation remains troublesome in Maharashtra. We're getting in reports from Pune where traffic has resumed. How is it in other parts of the state?
Good morning, Kriti. In fact, yes, troublesome parts of Maharashtra remains to be Pune and MMR region, of course. But having said that, yesterday we have seen the major part of missing link that was severely impacted due to the landslide. And of course, it was not just missing link at the Khopoli section, but of course, the railway tracks also in the Bhor section was severely impacted due to the heavy downpour. But now, fortunately, with the hours of teams working there and the operation which was underway for this entire patch to be corrected, yesterday around 10:30 p.m. we are given to understand that it was the time when it was restored and the vehicular movements were on from that particular patch. And Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Mr. Devendra Fadnavis, he actually posted this on his handle, and he stated that the team was relentlessly working to restore the patch, and the patch is open for the vehicular movement. In the visuals also one can see that after the correction, the vehicles were passing through the tunnel and they were making use of missing link.
Shweta, we are also getting in some advisory now amid the continued rain. Let's break that. Now, Pune District